Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video tutorial. This is Lakshya here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make this beautiful AFK fishing farm, and it's an early day farm. You can also make it with Killer of Fish World D. So without any further ado, let's get straight into our video. So the stuff you gonna be needing is 2 chests, easy, hopper, water bucket, fence, pressure plate, 30, some block of your choice, note block, iron trapdoor, and an iron block is optional. You can, if you want, you can remove it. Now I'm gonna just mimic this farm here. So wait a minute. So I need 2 hole here, and in 1 hole you have to use the optional block is iron block. You can use emerald or this thing, hay bale if you want to, but I use iron block for this sound. Yeah, for this sound. Now so you need 3 hole, 1 for your iron block, 1 for your water logging is that stuff, and 1 for your hopper. And now you have to place 2 of this chest, and so take these chests like so and place them. Now take your fence, place this fence on the top of it, this pressure plate on the top of the fence. Now here comes the tricky part. Need to waterlog this thing, and now have to place the block on the top of your choice on the top, and this thing. Now if you want to put that block, you can put, if you don't want the noise, and it will not create any sound from the note block. But if you do not use a block on the top of a note block, it will create this sound. I am in the water. You have to stand on this chest and start your AFK fishing. And wait a sec. Yep, here comes some fishes. So now you have to just AFK fish farm here, and like for hours and hours, because I'm having my OP fishing rod, so I can just like farm for hours and hours, like 18 to 15 hours something. But if you have like no mending on this thing, you have to be very careful when it got broke. So when a fishing rod breaks, it will just look like this, and you're right click holding. So keep in mind so that you have mending on your fishing rod. While fishing with a normal fishing rod without an enchantment, also you also get some enchanted fishing rod in this, enchanted bows also, so you can like get easily mended fishing rod, because AFK fishing farm is very good for like beginners, and you can like just fish for hours and hours, get tons and tons of great stuff. So yeah, this was the video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next survival episode. Because the survival I was not uploading the video on the last Sunday because of my health. I was not well that time, so I wasn't able to upload the video, but now I am okay. My body is great, and I'm feeling very good. So now we will get some videos right after it. On the next Sunday there will be a survival video coming soon. Until then, just relax or watch someone else's video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next episode. Goodbye.